When it's time to replace your roof, you should know that a metal roof can provide value, safety, and stand the test of time. Watch this.
Metal roofing is quickly becoming the roof of choice all over America, especially here in Florida. They are not only protective of your house, they have a wonderful Class A fire rating, which means that sparks or fireworks or fire will not intrude on your home from the roofing area, which is important. We manufacture most all of our products here, but we do have the availability to distribute products from many manufacturers throughout the industry.
There are lots of reasons to consider a metal roof, one of which is longevity.
Metal roofing has been proven to last over 60 years in recent tests. Chances are that will be the last roof you ever put on your home.
Metal roofs are also durable and wind resistant, and in Florida, this is especially important.
Historically, metal roofs have done extremely well in extreme weather situations of tornadoes, hurricanes, downbursts, heavy thunderstorms, hail. The average metal roof can withstand 140 mile an hour wind loads, which is equal to an F2 tornado or a Class 3 or even Class 4 hurricane. Warranty on metal roofing is exciting because it is one of the longest warranties of any construction material. It will provide you with up to a 40-year warranty on a metal roof. That metal roof consists of what they call a galvalume coating, which is zinc and aluminum mixed together, and then applied to a paint system by Sherwin-Williams over that, which gives you that 40-year warranty.
Metal roofs are also energy efficient.
A metal roof can save you up to 40% in energy because it is reflective. It reflects the heat rather than absorbing it, so that like a road in the summertime, once the heat is gone, it's still hot, but the roof will reflect that heat rather than absorbing it, so that you have an energy savings. Also, some utility companies will give you a rebate if you have a metal roof system, which is energy efficient.
And as you can see, metal roofs are beautiful, and they come in a variety of styles and profiles.
Metal roofing comes in so many different colors. You can match it to the environment that you live in. If you're in a coastal region, there are beautiful blues and greens and yellows and turquoise. Or if you live in a woodsy environment and you want to blend it in with the dark greens and the browns and the bronzes and those hues, you can include that. There's bright reds, there's oranges, there's blacks, there's any color that you can desire. And then you can always stick with the standard galvalume, which is beautiful and silver, and it goes with everything.
Today's metal roofs are safer and stronger and last much longer than any other product on the market.
It's going to add value to your home from the day that you buy it until the day that your grandchildren move into your home and they live there, and maybe even their children.
For more information about First Coast Metal Roofing, visit firstcoastmrs.com or designingspaces.tv.